Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys we're talking about channel builder AI review. So guys, this is a AI create ranks unique, and you have faceless AI video channels on YouTube. You can create AI faceless with just one clicks with 100% AI SEO optimization guys. And this is guys some videos as you can see here, and some dashboard from here. You can create a video. As I say, you have automatic mode. From here you have the optimization option, and you have this one. Also you have a manual mode and automatic mode. You can through customize your process and choose the type of video and posting schedules time through this software. You can choose content from here guys, for example interesting and fun facts or motivationals, and you can choose the voice from here. And you have guys also you can write a title, and just write a title. You can generate your script from here, and you can see this video guys. It looks like cartoon, and it is engaging and viral video guys. You can create using this software, and you have AI unique story script and easily timeline editor. You have AI human voice over like human voice and video channels, and you have AI art styles and automatic schedule. So guys, I have for you best bonuses with this software. Check the link on description guys. And you have also guys, you can choose a your channel theme from here, and you can add your AI human, and you have art styles, and you have customize. You can customize your you can edit also your AI script, the timeline. You can add a custom image and clips. You have auto schedule guys. This option, good option and great option to help your video rank your video. You can generate high CTF thumbnail. You can find trending hashtag guys, as you can see from this. From here guys, you see it can create high trending hashtag, and you have faceless video. As I say, this is good software guys. You can help you to get a lot of subscription guys. As you can see here, 6.71 million subscription with a viral video. You can create also guys long video and short video with this software. You have motivational channel. This motivational channel also have a lot of subscription. So guys, this is good software you can use for your business, for your videos, for creation videos. You can generate also. This is deep quotes guys channel, this inspiration stories, a lot of things guys of this software. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I hope this cool video helpful for you, and you can guys this have a right voice for narrative by expensive without guys, you don't need any buy expensive stocks image or footage. So guys, this is tool guys alternative for all, for multiple tools and expensive tools. Thanks guys for watching this video. See you on another video soon.